In this video, we are going to learn about how to find the derivatives of a trigonometric functions. Before solving the problem, we will quickly go through the derivatives of trigonometric functions. So first, derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and tan x derivative is secant square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x, and derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x, and cosecant x derivative is minus cosecant x into cot x. So these are the basic derivatives of trigonometric functions. Now using these functions, we will solve some examples. Let's get started. So first example, differentiate y equal to x minus 3 into sin x. So this is very simple example. So first we have to differentiate this y with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to differential of x. X differentiation is 1 because we are differentiating with respect to x. So differential of x is 1 minus, here 3 is constant, so 3 into sin x differentiation is cos x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. So the answer is 1 minus 3 into cos x. Next example is y equal to sin x plus cos x. Okay, here we have two terms. First term is sin x plus second term is cos x. So this is also very simple. First differentiate this with respect to x. So that is dy by dx equal to differential of sin x is cos x plus differential of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. So this can be written as cos x plus into minus is minus sin x. So differential of sin x plus cos x is cos x minus sin x. Next example, y equal to cos x minus 4 into tan x. So here also we have two terms. First term is cos x minus 4 into tan x. So just differentiate this. So dy by dx equal to cos x differentiation is minus sin x, and here we have minus, and 4 into tan x. 4 is constant, so we have to write as it is, and tan x differentiation is secant square x. This is equal to, here we have minus is common, so I am taking it out. So first term is sin x plus, because we are taking minus outside, so it will become plus 4 into secant square x. So this is the derivative of cos x minus 4 into tan x. Next example, y equal to 2 into secant x plus tan x. So this is again dy by dx equal to, the first term 2 is constant, so 2 into secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. So the differential of secant x is secant x into tan x, and we have plus tan x differentiation is secant square x. So this is equal to, see in the both the terms we have secant x, so I am taking secant x commonly out. So in the first term we have 2 into tan x plus, in the second term we have secant x, because we are taking one secant x outside, so we have 2 tan x plus secant x. So this is the derivative of 2 secant x plus tan x. Next example is y equal to cosecant x plus 5 into cot x. So this is nothing but dy by dx equal to differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x plus 5 is constant into cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. Okay. So differential of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So in the both the terms we have minus is common and cosecant x common, so I am taking it out. So the remaining value in the first term is cot x, and here we have plus 5 into, already minus is taken out, so the remaining value is cosecant x, because already one cosecant x value is taken outside. So we have 5 cosecant x. So the answer is minus cosecant x into cot x plus 5 cosecant x. Next example, y equal to 2x cube plus 7 sin x plus 3 cot x. Okay. So here we have three terms. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, so first term we have 2 into x cube. So 2 into x cube differentiation is 3x square. That is, first we have to write the power value 3 into x to the power, we have to reduce one number, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is by using power rule. So x cube differentiation is 3x square plus 7 is constant, sin x differentiation is cos x plus 3 is constant, cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. So this can be written as first term multiply 2 and 3. So if you multiply you will get 6x square plus 7 cos x. Here we have minus 3 into cosecant square x. Next example, y equal to 3x square into cos x. Okay. So we have to assume the first term, that is x square, as some u and cos x value as some v. So this is of the form uv, that is product rule. So we are going to assume u value as x square and v value as cos x. So first differentiate these two with respect to x. So first term du by dx equal to x square differentiation 2x, and second term dv by dx, that is cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Now we have to substitute the values in the product rule formula, that is d by dx of uv equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So that is d by dx of, what is uv, 3x square into cos x. Okay. So this 3 is constant, so we are keeping it outside. So what is the first term? U. U is x square into dv by dx, that is minus sin x, plus second term is v. V value is cos x into du by dx. Du by dx value is 2x. So just multiply the values inside. First term 3 into, see here we have x square into minus sin x. So that is minus 3x square sin x. And in the second term we have 2x cos x. So if you multiply with 3, you will get 6x cos x. So the answer is minus 3x square sin x plus 6x into cos x. So this is the derivative of 3x square cos x. So this is how we have to find the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.